Okay, so now we're working on the 1-2 area specific. It's a little bit easier to see than the 5-6 mini, so we'll save the 5-6 mini for clinic. So now let me get my little triangular guide set up, my test stick, sterile instrument, card. So how do I know that I have a cutting edge on one area side? Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my test stick, see if this wraps around one way or the other. So that's the face of my instrument because it's glaring right at me, and this is wrapping around the test stick nicely where the back is facing me and the cutting edge is up against the test stick. So the right side is my cutting edge that I'll start off with. Okay, so here I am. I want start off with my terminal shank to be perpendicular to the counter, right? So how am I going to figure out if because this is a self-angulating curette at 70 degrees, so it's slightly angled, and this is my cutting edge, right? So I want to tilt this at a 90. So that's how I'm going to be able to try to get the right angulation for the 1-2. And then I start off at 12 o'clock, right? 12 o'clock. Move to a 1 o'clock position. Start off with the heel, third, middle, third, heavier on the downstroke, and then work my way around the toe at a 2 o'clock position. So I've opened up the angle and I come around that whole toe. Making sure my face is parallel to the countertop, my face, and remove the wires. Flip my instrument over, opposite side. Start off with my terminal shank parallel, or perpendicular, I should say, to the countertop. Face is parallel, so we have to again force the face to be parallel because this is offset by 70. So here I am now. I can see that this is now the face is parallel to the countertop. Start off at 12 o'clock, work my way over to 11 o'clock, heel, middle, and toe, opening up at 10 o'clock around the toe. Okay, and I can turn this way nicely. See, I'll just redo that again. Remove my wires, making sure that I have a face parallel to the countertop before I ruin my cutting edge. And then I always use the test stick on the one side, making sure that it's stable up against a countertop. I'm going to just, for the sake of you seeing this, put it sideways, but you have to make sure the terminal shank is parallel at a 70, like you're removing calculus. Heel, see, you hear that, and around the toe. Flip the instrument. Heel, all the way around the toe.